Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Liz. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my first paycheck of November. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So today I will be cash stuffing a portion of my first paycheck of November, and so we will be cash stuffing a total of $500. So I did not go to the bank and get my denomination. So what I did was I went to the ATM machine, I withdrew cash, and then I went through my binders and did a little bill exchange. So that's why I have, it may seem like I got some denominations that I wanted, but I just did a bill exchange. So that's a little trick that I like to do when I don't have time to go to the bank either during the week or the weekend, is just go to the ATM and then go through my binders and do a bill exchange. Okay, so we are going to be cash stuffing a total of $500. And here's my little cash breakdown. And if you notice, I have a different setup today. It's more upright and more of a overhead shot. I did get a new camera slash phone gadget to where it's more overhead, and I really like it. It gives me more space and more freedom to do what I want. But yeah, so this is the first paycheck of November, and like I said, this is just a portion. And if you are new here, a lot of my paycheck does go to my student loan, so, and other bills that get subtracted monthly from my credit card. So this is just a portion of what I feel like I can contribute to my binders for short-term and long-term. And today we will be mostly stuffing my long-term binder. There's one envelope in the short-term binder that I will be stuffing, and that's bills. And then here's my long-term binder envelopes, and then I will be cash stuffing one envelope for my 100 envelope challenge, and then the rest will be going to my on-the-go binder. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to try and attempt to count this. This is a lot of 20, so hopefully I don't mess up. 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, and 500. Alright, so let's go ahead and place these into my cash tray. And if you follow me on my Instagram, I did post a little reel today, and I was hoping to at least film a video and put up a video by the next couple of days. So I did come home and I was eager to try and put out a video for you guys. So hopefully what I'm shooting right now, I'll be able to edit and put out the video by today. If not, it will be tomorrow at the latest. But anyways, let's go ahead and cash stuff. So we are going to start off with my short-term binder, and it will be my bills envelope. Okay, so bills will be getting $200. So we're gonna do all 20. So we're gonna do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Okay. All right. So all together, bills has 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, $290, $310, $330, and $350. So $350 altogether for my bills. And like I said in the past, for bills, eventually I want to get up to 1 month ahead. So I'm doing great so far. All right. Okay, now on to my long-term binder. We are going to cash stuff my emergency, and emergency will be getting $40. So altogether, emergency has 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 320, 340. So $340 for emergency. Car expenses will be getting $10. So altogether we have $20, $30, $40, $45. Okay, gifts will be getting $20. So altogether we have $20, $40, $50, $50. Guys, this is the $10 bill. It's so flimsy that I'm having a hard time putting it into the envelope. Okay. Holidays will be getting $40. So we'll have two 20s. So altogether, holidays has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 210, 215, 220. So 220 for holidays. Future will be getting $20. So altogether, Future has 1, 20, 40, 60, 160. Computer will be getting $20. So altogether we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So 100 for computer. And then Lucy, Dash, and Ollie won't be getting anything this time. So that's everything for my long-term binder. And then lastly, my short-term binder. The only envelope that I will be cash stuffing is groceries. So groceries will be getting $50. And then I still have a leftover of $5 for myself. And then for eating out, I still have $40. So I'm just going to keep that. I'm not going to take that out and put that into my savings challenge. And then household does have a leftover of $10, $20, $25. Okay. And then the $100 bill will be going towards my 100 envelope challenge. So we will put it towards the number 99. So we'll just put a $100 bill in there. Okay. So I'm so happy that I'm able to contribute to the 100 envelope challenge. I'm going to try very hard, even though our weeks are limited until the end of the year. I want to fill up as many envelopes as I can. Okay, so I'm just going to take a sip of my Coke Zero. And like I said on my Instagram, the updates for now is that we are almost reaching 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and what I want to do is do a giveaway. I've been getting comments that you guys like these binders. Specifically, you like the envelope. So for my long-term binder, I have this dragonfly envelopes. Some of you seem to like that, and then for my short-term binders, you guys also like these polka dot envelopes. So what I like to do for my 500 subscribers, once I reach that, is to do a giveaway, and I will pick a winner, and whoever wins the giveaway, I will give you a choice of either picking this polka dot or dragonfly, a set of 5 envelopes, and I will also give you a binder. So this is a A6 binder. So I'm looking forward to that. I think we only need about 5 or 4 more subscribers to reach 500. So hopefully during my next video we reach that, and then we can go ahead and do the giveaway for that. And so other than that, some of you guys have been asking me if I have an Etsy shop, and the answer is no, but in the future I do want to open up a store. I'm not too sure. It might not be on Etsy, it might be on Shopify or something like that, but I'm slowly working towards that. That's one of my goals. So that's just an update that I wanted to give all of you. But that's it for my savings challenge and my cash stuffing for the binders. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.